Hello friends, you must be fascinated by the emerging business areas such as FinTech, artificial intelligence, metaverse, digital marketing, and you want to explore them further. But unfortunately, you may not be getting the right platform and proper guidance to study them in depth. But if you get enrolled in BIMTECH's online PGDM program, you will get a chance to convert your dreams into reality. Hi, I am Dr. Poonam Vyas, Assistant Professor in Business Communication at Birla Institute of Management Technology, Greater Noida. I am going to tell you about a very unique feature of our online PGDM program, that is Dissertation Writing Course. In fact, in this program, most of the learners are working professionals having 5 to 10 years of work experience, and it is difficult for them to go for internship. Therefore, to replace it, we have designed this course so that they can get industry exposure, they can learn what are the latest trends in business research. The main objective of this course is to develop problem-solving skills by understanding the problem, analyzing it, solving it by applying appropriate theories and techniques from various functional areas of management and presenting a solution. This course helps the students develop research ability by applying multidisciplinary concepts, tools and techniques to solve organizational problems. So here in this course, we give them some research-oriented topics on different areas of management such as marketing, finance, IT, journal management, etc. And they work in a group, let's say 3 to 4 students in the group, because working together for a human is a more productive process than working in isolation. Teamwork also maximizes the chances of learning from each other's experience. So to probe into this topic further, they conduct research, they collect primary and secondary data. For secondary data, they consult different databases such as Science Direct, ProQuest, ERIC, etc. And primary data they collect through interview, questionnaire, observation, and some other methods of data collection. Once they collect the data, they analyze it by using an appropriate statistical tool to draw inferences from it. And then they finally come up with the major findings which adds value to the existing knowledge in the business world. And once the students submit the final report, they appear for the viva in front of the industry experts. They evaluate their performance on several parameters such as problem identification, research methodology, contribution to knowledge and communication. So if you look at the overall journey, it has been designed in such a manner as it helps in developing problem solving skills, decision making ability, teamwork, communication skills, and above all research aptitude, which is required in this competitive business world.